Wow, so many Uber drivers are quitting right now and we need to talk about it. Please thumbs up the video to help spread it across the internet. It helps out tremendously so more people can hear about the situation going on. And by the way, if you or anybody you know has been deactivated by Uber, Lyft, or any of the major gig apps, we have partnered with a company that is helping drivers get reactivated. So it's not 100% guaranteed, but I do have a link down below if you do want to check it out, and we do have a referral code. Okay, so listen to this. Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting rideshare apps amid gas price surge. There's new data that's been reported. This is very recent news. This year, drivers for ride-sharing apps, Uber and Lyft, are quitting their gigs due to the recent surge in gas prices, while Uber and Lyft refuse to raise prices for drivers. Those who are still working say they're driving less in an effort to cut down costs. Imagine you need to work less so you don't pay as much money. What does that sound like? A scam. The Rideshare Guy. Wow, so Newsweek actually did an article based off of a survey from the Rideshare Guy. A survey conducted by the Rideshare Guy, a blog focused on the gig economy, found that 15% of drivers have quit over the high gas prices, and that 38% say they are driving less as a result of the increase. This honestly sounds like a multi-level marketing scheme. You gotta pay money to work. And they're like, oh yeah, well you'll make 30, 40 bucks an hour. Oh yeah, but you just gotta pay for your own gas and wear and tear in your car. Drivers who are cutting back on their hours also said they're avoiding picking up long trips entirely. Only driving when the apps offer promotions, and have seriously considered buying an electric vehicle or hybrid in the future. Oh my gosh, if you're an Uber driver and you're thinking about buying a Tesla or an electric car to drive for Uber, yeah, oh my gosh, you're gonna put so many miles in your freaking car. Gas prices reached record highs over the last week as the US and other NATO allies moved to ban Russian oil in response to Russian President Vladimir Putin's invasion of Ukraine. That's not the reason, bro. There's other reasons besides Putin, bro. Stop blaming Putin. In states like California and Nevada, drivers are paying more than $5 a gallon. Bro, I'm paying at least $6 a gallon, according to the American Auto Association, AAA. The national average for a gallon of gas is currently $4.30. Bro, if I could pay $4.30, I'd be driving there like a maniac right now. I'm paying $6.50 for gas down in Southern California. On Wednesday, Uber will begin charging American and Canadian customers 55 cents. Well, we already talked about that. There will also be a fuel charge in Uber Eats deliveries, which, by the way, Uber Eats fuel surcharge is ending on Wednesday, June 15th, 2022. All of the surcharge will continue for at least 2 months, and 100% of those monies will go to driver. Yeah, because the passengers are paying for it. Uber and Lyft, once again, are finding a way not to pay their drivers fair wage. So, there you have it, my friends. That's the main reason why so many Uber and Lyft drivers are quitting. I want to hear from you guys. Are you still driving, and have you noticed an increase in cost with gas? Thanks for watching. Take care. God bless. Talk to you soon. And check out the links below to that service if you're having trouble getting reactivated. Maybe they can help you out. At least check out the website. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. You guys are great. Bye now.